Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this rice oil for hair growth, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So in here, I'm gonna be using my rice. So this rice is actually a bio rice. Okay, you can also just go ahead and use any type of rice that you have at hand. Is also perfect for this DIY. Okay, so I didn't measure the rice obviously, but you guys can tell that it's like half cup or like a very mini cup, half cup of rice. So this is the amount of rice that I am going to be using in this rice oil. So what you have to do, you just have to bring your rice to the blender, and we are going to be blending the rice to a powder. Okay, if you have a powder rice already, like if you have a rice powder already at home, you can also just go ahead and use a rice powder instead of going through this process of me blending my rice. Okay, I don't have rice powder at home, so that's the reason why I'm just blending mine here. So this is my blender, guys. Don't mind this blender. Okay, it's already like this. The blender is like this just because of clove and all these carrots that I blend on this blender. So that's the reason why it's having this color like this. So this is my rice powder. It's already blended. As you guys can see, I actually didn't even realize that rice can blend so well like this, to be honest. So this is really, really good. And it also rises a little bit, which is quite good. And yeah, I'm going to be adding 1.5 spoon of my rice powder into my pot, and then I will be going along with my extra virgin oil. Guys, when it comes to oil for my hair, I do try and make it simple. Okay, don't go crazy with oil, guys. At the end of the day, we are just gonna try to grow our hair. Okay, so you don't have to go too crazy with oil in your hair. Try and figure out what type of oil that is really good for your hair when it comes to growing your hair. Okay, try and keep it simple. You can use extra virgin oil or coconut oil, or maybe after this time you can start adding more oil into it if you prefer. So after that, I went ahead to bring my pot to the fire. So in this process, guys, you really have to be careful and stir this rice really carefully. You need to be stirring it the whole time because rice can burn so easily. Okay, so you have to keep your fire low heat. We don't want the rice to burn, if you guys know what I mean. So just keep stirring and stirring and stirring until you try to see that the rice and the oil is getting a little bit brownish. Okay, yeah. So this is basically what I was trying to explain. As you guys can see, the bottom is already getting a little bit brown. So if you don't careful, it can really burn. Okay, we don't want the oil to burn, so that would be smelling burning oil. So I really don't want that to happen. So I just took it out of fire after 10 minutes of cooking. So this is my rice oil, and what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm going to be setting it aside, and I will let it cool down, and then I can go ahead and strain the oil. So this is my oil, guys. It has been outside for about 20 minutes. Okay, because here in Switzerland it's very, very cold, so anything you bring outside, before you know it, it's already cold. So now I'm going to be straining the oil, and your oil is ready. Like yeah, it's ready to use and easy to make. As you guys can see here, you just have to blend your rice and you know, just add any oil of your choice. If you don't want to add extra virgin oil, guys, you can also just go ahead and use coconut oil if you prefer. For me, I don't like coconut oil in my hair at all. Coconut oil does dry my hair out. I don't know why. So even when I was using it for my skin, it was actually drying my skin, and it wasn't doing that good job that I really wanted as an oil. So coconut oil is not, I don't use coconut oil a lot for my hair DIY. If you've been following me for a while, you can also hear that I mention that a lot. So I do like extra virgin oil because it's really moisturize my scalp, and it really is helping me, okay? So I went ahead to add more oil. So this one that I am doing here, it's optional to you guys, okay? So you don't have to add more oil if you don't want. You can just use the oil like that. So I went ahead to add like half spoon of Jamaica black castor oil. And then I'm gonna be adding now my aloe vera oil as well. 1 spoon of aloe vera oil. These oils are great for hair. They can really help you to grow your hair. So rice oil can help to stimulate the growth of the thicker, longer, and stronger hair. It also eliminates dandruff and thereby supports the healthy hair growth. It's also rich in omega-3 and 6 fat acid, which help nourish the hair. If you are suffering for frozen hair, this oil can help you to bring the hair back, okay? So you just have to apply this oil into your hair regularly, at least 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. If you have a braid, or you have a cornrows, or you have any type of hair that you have in your head, just massage this oil into your scalp. You don't need to rinse it out at all, okay? It doesn't smell at all. It's just a great oil that can really help you to grow your hair thicker and stronger. Like, I mean, it's oil, guys, okay? These are great oil for hair. So you can store this oil in a dark place, and you can use them anytime you want. Put it in your hairlines, and yeah, so this is how I make my rice oil, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video, okay? You all know that rice is great for hair, so you can just go ahead and to really speed in the process of your hair growth, you can go ahead and use rice water also with it, and spray rice water with together with this oil, and your hair will grow. Yes, your hair will grow, okay? So yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, okay? We are here to grow this channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you would love to give this rice oil a try, just let me know in the comment section. And if you already make this rice oil, also let me know in the comment section, guys, okay? So thank you all so much, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye-bye.